Ouch! I yelp as my foot falls directly on a red Lego brick on the living room carpet. Clean up your mess, my mom yells from the kitchen. Grumbling, foot still throbbing, I began to gather up the pieces and place them in their container. When I was young, my Lego creations were playful and temporary. I'd build a house, car, or bridge. Then it would be disassembled to be repurposed in a new creation. Now my creations are long-term and deliberate. Planting native plants, harvesting and assembling willow wattle fences, working with teams of nature stewards. The pieces of a healthy functioning watershed. It's hard work. Sometimes the pieces don't fit together correctly. Sometimes we find ourselves at odds with the regulatory folks who do not understand the objective. It's authentic work, though. The beauty is in the hope it brings. It's not only restoration for the watershed. Clink! The sledgehammer strikes the iron spike. My muscles throb from swinging. My ears ring with the sound of riparian restoration. Painful as it may be, each willow stake is a Lego block in this watershed's future. The future of tall, beautiful willows overhanging a clear trout pool.